Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead over at Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you a Heritage Glen. This is one of my favorite rigs, so I'm pretty excited to show it to you. Let's take a look inside. Okay guys, as you come right up into the rig, you can see to your right is upstairs with the bathroom and bedroom. But if you go straight, you're walking right into the dinette area, kitchen area. Now, this brand always does extremely beautiful colors. And kind of one of the things about this brand that I always take away every time I go in is they have deeper cabinet drawers, taller ceilings, wider footprints, longer. They're just the bigger, better, wider, taller, deeper rig. So if you want room, this is the brand. And these ones are actually getting a lot better in quality as of 2021. They got an extended season package, which is what this one is as well. So that's really exciting, and I'm really excited about that. But this is one of our bunk models. So if you look over, you have the couch. This does turn into a bunk bed. You also have your TV entertainment center, and right next to it's a fridge. This is big enough to fit a lot of stuff in it. You got 4 doors total on that fridge. Now you can come into the kitchen area. You have your one big sink, your 3-burner cooktop. It's got storage below the oven, and you have a microwave, and you have some cabinets around the microwave. Now the bunk area is in the back. So this is really neat to me because they figured out a way to make a shorter unit extremely, I don't know, just Tetrised well, I guess I would say. But you have 2 bunks, and it does go kind of behind the TV a little bit, that above it, so that way you can have a little bit more room. So great for the family of 3 or the family of 4. Okay, so if you come upstairs, you can take a look at the bathroom. There's more than enough room to sit down and kind of spread out. That's what I love about these RVs lately, is they've been actually giving you a real bathroom. If you go in some of the older models, it's like, why'd you even put a toilet in here? Because there's no room. Anyway, so you have a great cabinet system right here, an awesome shower. So if we move our way up into the front bedroom, there's a very big bed. This is about a king bed, and you have this dresser set up over here. You also have all your closet stuff back there. Now this is a lot of room, a lot of head height. If you're a tall guy, this is the rig for you. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions about this rig or any of our other products, you can call me, Corey Bystead, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.